Hi, my name is Shah Mahabir and I'm the founder of LIMIN and the creator of International Doubles Day. Today we will show you how to make doubles at home so you can celebrate with us on May 30th, International Doubles Day. So, the ingredients you need for doubles, or to make the Barras rather, are here. All-purpose flour, self-rising is best, yeast, turmeric, sugar and salt. All into a large bowl. You mix it all up, lukewarm water, and you slowly knead it away, adding a little bit of water as needed. Now be very mindful, you do not want this to end up very, very soft, but equally you don't need to be hard. So if you look at it coming here, it's manageable. I'll transfer it across to the table, a little bit of dry flour, and you keep kneading that in until it gets to a ball shape. Pretty much like this. A little bit of oil, just to keep it soft, and so the air doesn't get the top crusty. And there we have it. That's your dough for Barras. Now, the dough is ready. We're going to make them into small balls as we've done here. The small balls will then be stretched out, and to stretch them out, you do a little bit of oil on the counter. You stretch them out like this. Here we go, and into the very hot oil like this. Now these are very thin, so as soon as they actually rise, you flip them twice, and then they're done. Here we go. Now you've done the Barras, chickpeas is next. Basically, this is a mild chickpea curry. So what you need is chickpeas soaked overnight, ideally, or you can use tinned. Then you chop up fairly finely your spring onions, your coriander, your chili, your garlic, and your onions with turmeric and some cumin. In a pan, you add some oil, you chuck everything in, and you let that fry up for about 4 or 5 minutes. You add some hot water in again, let it fry up again, and then you add a chickpea in, more water, let it boil together. It takes about 35 to 40, maybe 45 minutes, add some salt to taste, but in the end of the day, it's down to you. You're not going to sell it, the whole idea is to eat it at home and share it with your friends. So, there we have it. Your Barras is done, your Channa is done. You need a few more condiments. So you need cucumber, you need pepper sauce, and you need tamarind sauce. And what we will do then is plate it together, lay the Barras, the Channa, and the sauces, and then, what we've all been waiting for, eating it. So, I have my friend Zoe here with me, and we've cooked it, we're going to eat it, and then we're going to share it. Cucumber. Some tamarind sauce, never mind the mess. And Zoe don't eat chili, so a little bit of chili. There you go. This is how you eat it. You lift the Barras, think like a taco, and you get the sweet tamarind, you get the spicy chili, and you get the cool cucumber with a very mild curry. It just melts in your mouth. Perfect. So, you've seen how to make doubles, how to eat doubles. Now please share it with us. Get some doubles on Facebook and use the hashtag International Doubles Day. Thank you for watching and enjoy the celebrations.